fucking goddamn fucking shit. Fucking it hurts.
Cassie's pissed about something.
I fucking blister.
Ah, that's
That's what I was
it.
talking about. This guy's keeps staring at me. I'm wearing boxers. That's probably why he's staring at me. He's like, why is that girl wearing boxers?
Or probably because I'm recording.
You are?
Yeah! Yes, I am.
I will. I should run to the door like, why are you wearing my phone? Okay, I still get range out here.
Huh?
I still get range out here.
Oh.
Where's my home phone? Let me get a new cell phone.
Hopefully soon.
No. Brand fucking spanking new.
I need a new cell phone soon.
You need one?
I've had mine for the past year and a half.
I'm surprised you haven't got a new one.
It's an ugly ass little car.
Huh?
It's an ugly ass little car. Oh, look whose house.
Huh? Do they still hate you?
No, I don't think so. Well,
I don't like the little. Got that. Damn.
Cassidy can't walk. Just thought I'd note that. I can walk. Watch me fall. Yes, I'm watching you. Oh, Jesus.
Keep walking.
Hi, dog. Bye, dog. Stick a doggy in the window.
Look at them stand. Woo.
Jesus Christ. I want to pull one and make a wish. Hey, dude, did you realize my wish came true? Ha 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 ha. Sweet.
Mine hasn't come true yet.
Well, mine came true.
Well, mine's like a lifelong thing.